Well, darlings, it would seem that Halloween has just reigned supreme on this channel for this month because Sophie and Toffee have just brought out the spooky glow box. Ooh. So yeah, get ready for some more witchy stuff because your girl is going in. I mean, bear in mind, I am actually more of a Christmas person, but for some reason this year, Halloween's got me excited. Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and I am excited to get into this box, okay, because the box feels full. Okay, so those of you who are brand spanking new to my channel, my name is Ayesha. I am your crafting kawaii sister, okay? I make things that are cute and kawaii, and I would love for you to join the Shasha squad. So stick around, and if you like what you see, you know what to do, honey. So let's get inside. Now, I have had a little peek at the booklet, okay? Because, you know, I wanted to make sure that I knew what box this actually was, because let's face it, I've had a lot of craft boxes coming to me in the past few weeks. So, you know, I wanted to make sure I knew what I was talking about. So I've had a quick flick through of the booklet of the spooky glow box, and I'm very excited to see these things in person. So you're kind of getting half surprised, okay? I haven't looked at the things in the box. I've only had a quick glance at the booklet. Okay, so first up we have what feels like this is probably going to be the shaker oil, and it's green, but it says like it's floating shaker oil. So I don't know whether the oil itself is different. Maybe it's a different substance. I'm not entirely sure, but it does say floating shaker. So I will see how that looks when I use it. Like, that is like radioactive green. And you also get clear as well, if that's what you would prefer. Thing is though, the clear one just says shaker oil and that one says floating shaker. So I am intrigued to see what the difference really is. Next is something quite thin. What are you? Ooh, oh, okay. So we have some very cute little, well, they're actually nail decals, but of course you can use these in resin. As a matter of fact, I used to do nails back in the day, but because doing nails is so similar to doing resin, I kind of made the natural transition and then I got stuck here. So it's very common to use nail art things in resin. They both work exactly the same way. These actually do glow in the dark, okay? So when you charge them up with UV light and then have a look at them in the dark, they will start to shine. So yeah, I'm excited to use these. Okay, so, oh, we've got some squidgy things here. We've got some molds. So we'll leave those for just a second. What is this? Oh, these glow in the dark as well. So we've got some glow in the dark pigment powders in pink and green. Now, you usually only need a tiny little bit of these powders in your resin. So hopefully this should last quite some time. These two together remind me of Cosmo and Wanda, you know, from Fairly Odd Parents. Odd Parents, Fairly Odd Parents. I am such a child, honestly. Next. Okay, this is... that's resin. 3 to 1 part resin. Yes, it is. Okay, this one, I'm actually not too bad with this one anymore. Before I used to be a bit like, I'm not really fond of the 3 to 1, but 1 to 1 is still my favorite because it's just the easiest one to measure out. But I actually do quite like this one now. I just leave it a little bit longer to cure. Let's check out one of the molds. That's a big one. Let's go to, no, they're both massive. Okay. Actually, no, because of that, we'll save it till later. Sorry. Okay, what are you? Oh my gosh. These are nice. These are fabulous. Okay, so we have a collection of Halloween confetti. So, ooh, there we go. So included, we have some cats, we have some ghosts, some skulls, some spiders, some pumpkins, some stars, and some witches. This is really, really cool. Oh, and it matches my hair. Very, very, very cool. I like that they all came in a sort of like, you know, separated box like this because it just makes it a lot easier to pick things out. That's lovely. Moving on, something small. What is this? This is the, oh, this is the little lights. Okay, so we have an orange LED light. Oh, that also matches my hair. Oh, girl, let's see. How does this turn on? Oh, hold on. Wait. How do I turn it on? It has directions that say off and on, but like I can't seem to get it on. So for those of you who get this, and if you just can't seem to turn it on, there is a piece of paper that is like protecting the battery on the inside. Remove that, and then it should just turn on nice and easily. Okay, so yeah, don't worry, it's not just you. Can you guys see that? It gives a lovely sort of like warm orange glow. Beautiful. That might be for like inside of, for you to put inside of one of the molds, more than likely. I'm not really a fan of having candles in the house because I have a small child. So fake candles or little LEDs that look like candles when you put them in something, that's definitely in my bag. What do we have next? This is tiny. What is this? Oh, these are the little bats. Okay, apparently these are the floating bats. Okay. Oh! And it matches my necklace. I didn't mean to match that, okay? When I say that, I very quickly glanced at the book. I mean, I literally just went, what's the theme? Okay, and then put it down. So like, I very much skimmed through that and completely forgot that bats were even involved. But I just so happened to match them today. They are so small. They are so ditty. Look how tiny that is. Itty bitty bats. Batty, 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 bat. If you know what that's from, you and I can be friends. If you don't, it's probably because you're actually at your age. Fun fact, I actually hate bats with a passion, but I do love the bat aesthetic. Okay, so let's see. Should we pull out one of the molds? Let's pull out one of the molds. Let's do it. Let's do it. I've made you wait long enough. Right, we have got, okay, we have a cauldron, people. Now, let's see what this is. Ooh, we have new branding on it. Sophie and Toffee. This is big. This is nice. And it has like a kind of like bubbly lid on this one as well. Ooh, that's cool. Is it in two parts? Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, well, excuse me. So you can make it either completely full or you can make it into, that was an awkward noise. You can make it, I'm imagining, you can make it into like a shaker. If you put this in, that kind of like hollows it out a bit, I imagine. I think, I need to see a video on it, but I think that's what that's for. If so, that's pretty damn cool. Okay, let's see what we have next. All right, this is something quite small. Oh, okay, so these glow in the dark as well. We have teeny tiny glow in the dark bats. This is a very batty box. I like that. They're so cute and so small. They're adorable. So yeah, this is going to be a very glowy, sparkly looking box. I'm excited to use all of these. Halloween isn't even my holiday. I'm more of a Christmas person because I love all the snow and all the twinkly lights and all that nonsense. But you know, I'm getting into the groove. Next, something small. There's a lot in here, guys. There's a lot. So we have these pumpkin metal charms. We have them in bronze, silver, gold, and antique gold, I believe are the terms for these. I have quite a few friends who are very much into Halloween. So yeah, a lot of people are going to be getting getting some Halloween stuff sent to them for sure. These are so cute. They're so diddy. And they'll actually be quite nice on like a bag charm or a key ring, something like that. Adorable. What is this one? This is, ooh. Oh, fabulous. Okay, so these are shaker bits. All right, so this is a mold for making bits for your shakers. Ugh, I can't get it open. That should just be one of my slogans, isn't it? Can't get it open. I can never open anything. Right, here we go. Oh, this is nice. Very nice. Okay, so we have a frog, we have a toadstool, a nose, an ear. Okay. A lollipop, we have a hand, a skull, candy corn, some potion, the spider web, a sweet, a ghost, and something else that I don't quite know what it is. But yeah, these are probably all things to go inside of the cauldron so you can mix them up and create some crazy love spell and make someone fall in love with you. I don't know. But it's still pretty cool. Although I wouldn't advise chopping off someone's nose and their ear and like shoving it into a cauldron and boiling it, because that's just disgusting. Anyway, let's see what else we have. 1, 2, and I think that's it. We have 2 more molds. So this one is, ooh, so these are the Halloween hotel tags, I do believe. Right, so this one says, what does it say? It says nevermore. What? Let me just read it backwards. I'm better at reading backwards. Nevermore out. Excuse me? I said I'm better at reading backwards. I'm clearly not. Something the rare. What? Outh the raven? Quoth the raven? Quoth the raven? Is that a cute child? I can't read this. Okay, this one here says stay for a bite. Reading that backwards, not bad. And this one says trick or treat. Okay, that's fairly easy. Right, so these look really, really cool. Really, really cool. Very intricate. They'd make nice like little luggage tags, or again some key rings, that kind of thing. Ooh, or even necklaces, you know, why not? Go all out. Okay, last but not least, we have, this is huge. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be the jack-o'-lantern. Let me see. Fabulous. Wow. Wow. So we have a big hefty pumpkin, but on the inside we have the jack-o'-lantern face, and then of course you can hollow it out, I would imagine. I think that's what that's for, because then you can pop in that little orange light and make it glow, and then stick it on a headband, and then you have a Halloween headdress, right? Am I right? Because I wear everything. Just realized something. And I've also just remembered something. It's come to my attention, darlings, that there will now be no more packing peanuts. And you guys already know how I feel about packing peanuts, okay? You know that packing peanuts are my thing. So, yeah, I hope that you have enjoyed watching me throw multiple packing peanuts over my head, but it seems that that will be no more, because I believe Sophie and Toffee have discontinued the packing peanuts. I'm sure they have their reasons. On a real, I am actually devastated. So anyway, my thoughts are that this is a fantastic box, okay? I think you get a lot in this one, lots of different cool projects to do, and it coincides very nicely with the Nightmare Before Christmas box, which I opened up not so long ago. There are a lot of projects in that box. Your girl is going to be super busy for quite some time. So thank you so much for your patience. And thank you for, you know, just like supporting me along the way. But yeah, this is going to be a lot. So bear with me. I will get through as many projects as I possibly can. Don't forget, I am a school mum. So, you know, I have a lot to do during the week. But I'm trying for you, okay? I am trying. I just want to show you, though, how beautiful that the actual booklet is. It's really, really pretty. They definitely have gone out with the design on this one. I do like that very, very much. Just checking to make sure I got everything. Yes, I did. Fabulous. Oh, June challenge winners. So June, we had the Good Vibes box. So the challenge winners are Ayesha. Ayesha came mine. Girl, Ayesha, you're one of the winners. Oh my goodness. Girl, congratulations. Sorry, Ayesha's part of the Shasha squad. She's got a great name, by the way. Part of the Shasha squad. I'm so impressed. Oh my gosh. I feel like a proud mom. We're probably like the same age, but like I feel like a proud mom. Oh, I'm so happy to see you in here. Girl, that's amazing. Wow. Also, we also have Yaz Escamilla. She is amazing. I see her work on Instagram all the time. She's fabulous down here with her beautiful worry stones. They look gorgeous. They look like marble. Fabulous. We also have Measured and Slow. Those worry stones look gorgeous as well. Beautiful work. And also we have St. Paul SC with this fabulous looking trinket tray that is done. Beautiful, absolutely wonderful. Congratulations, everybody. Oh, and a special congratulations to you, Ayesha. I'm so impressed. I love seeing people that I know in these books. It really warms my heart. That's made me so happy. What a way to end the video. Fabulous. So if you have watched this and been like, you know what? I actually think that I might get involved with Sophie and Toffee. Good, but do use my discount code below because, you know, don't say I didn't ever give you anything, all right? I'm always here trying to look after my Shasha squad, okay? And if you want to join the Shasha squad, then of course, you know what to do. If you are loving the vibe, then just subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I will see you all soon. Bye.